Thanks for joining me. It's Christy Z from Zeal Studio and Zeal Vintage on Etsy. Let's do some pill removal. Let's revive your favorite item and get rid of those pills. So this is a good example of pilling on the back of an item, which is just due to washing. And sometimes, as you can see here, you will get these little, and I think that's why they call them pills, because they're just sort of little round bits of fluff that are stuck to either the back or say the front of a sweater, or it's generally some item that has a bit of a, fluff to it, like a sweater. Generally after wear or washing, you will see these unfortunate pills. And for a lot of people, that means it's time to get rid of the garment. However, what I do, and this is a good example because this is a vest, it's vintage and it's got some pilling just from being cleaned or washed. And I'm going to show you how to easily remove that with a de-pillar unit like this. So this is basically a sweater shaver or de-pillar, and you can buy different versions of this on Amazon. You can buy it at your local drug mart or drugstore. Our Shoppers Drug Mart carry them. I believe, lots of different stores carry them. So this is a tip that I learned from my mom a really, really long time ago, and it's just been really helpful in not only keeping my sweaters and fluffy garments, mostly my winter garments, longer and cared for better. It also helps me restore items like this vest. Now, if you can see over here, we have a really pilled area. And over here, I've already started working on removing those pills. So you can see here, we've got pills, and over here, they've mostly been removed. So I'm going to show you how to do that with your sweater shaver or pill remover, and how super easy it is to restore and get rid of those pills. Now this particular one is on the inside of a fleece garment, which can often happen with fleece inside. And I'm super happy to be able to restore this and to be able to put it in my shop. So let's get rid of some pills. And I'm going to show you the action that I'm using with these pills. And I'm going to use a round, sort of sweeping round action, followed by a back and forth action to get rid of these. Also, you want to have, so for example, I'm on my bed right now, just because the light's pretty good here, but you want something a little bit harder underneath, like a book or something like that. I'm just going to put this album under here to give it a little more sturdy base underneath, so that when the shaver contacts, you're actually getting, so I've just put like a record under here, just so you have a little more of a solid surface. Okay, let's get rid of these nasty pills. And I'm using kind of a circular motion. Now I'm going to kind of just do an up and down motion, back and forth over the same area. All right, there you go. And as you can see, we've gotten all the pills off that area, so it almost looks brand new. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, that whole area looks almost brand new now. And this is the back of this vest. So, it just looks so much better. And, it just really improves the quality and look of your fabric, and it's such an easy way to care for an item, especially a sweater that you love that, maybe you find in the thrift that has pills or has seen better days. So yeah, if you found a sweater and you really love it, or it's one of your favorite sweaters, and you're trying to save it from being trashed or having to, go in the trash, this is a great way to take care of your sweater and, or the back of your fleece, if you have some nice winter fleece items. And yeah, I'm just really happy to be able to restore various items, whether it's a vest like this, which I'm doing fabric care for my shop, or whether it's like my personal items. This is a really great technique. It's super easy, super affordable, and super fast, and it's a great way to get some extra wear out of your winter garments, your sweaters, your fleece, and to just get rid of those nasty pills that unfortunately do happen when we wash our winter items. And yeah, if you'll see, this part looks, really good. And then, yeah, as compared to the area with the pills. And this little unit is so handy, so I highly recommend it. And thanks to my mom for the tip, because I've used this tip for so long as I can remember, to help me keep my garments in great shape and get rid of all those nasty pills. So thanks so much. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tip and these tricks. As you can see, there's the nasty pills that we got rid of. And here's the area that is looking, almost brand new. And I think it's just such a great way to restore and revive and take care of all your fuzzy, fluffy items so that you don't have to trash them when they have pills. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip. And thanks again for joining me. It's Christy Z from Zeal Studio and Zeal Vintage on Etsy.